Hello my dear friends. The week passed unnoticed. Again I wanted to cook something very tasty and healthy at the same time. I haven't cooked pork for a long time, so this time I decided to make this video recipe using pork chops. Do you have herbs and a clove of garlic? Let's cook some delicious pork chops together. I am sure the dish will turn out better and tastier than in an expensive restaurant and, moreover, much healthier than the banal pork chops in a pan, which every housewife knows how to cook. Prepare the marinade for the meat first. Take a liter of drinking water. Add a couple of cloves of garlic, black pepper, salt, a couple of bay leaves, apple cider vinegar and sugar. You should like the taste of the marinade even before you boil it, but be somewhat strong. Boil the marinade and then let it cool. Now let's get down to meat. I use boneless pork chops for this recipe, but boneless meat can also be used. Pork should be cut into portions and marinated in a previously prepared marinade. The marinating time is 2 to 3 hours, but you can leave the meat in the refrigerator in this marinade and overnight. Let's make a healthy and delicious vitamin sauce together while the pork chops are marinated. The herbal sauce should be served with pork chops. It's very easy to cook. Do you have a bunch of herbs and a clove of garlic? This means that you have almost everything you need for this sauce. Use herbs in this recipe as you like. For example, I made a vitamin green sauce with cilantro, parsley and dill. The greens should be washed, put in a blender. Add a couple of cloves of garlic, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, salt and black pepper. If you like the spicy taste of the sauce, add mustard, hot red peppers, or mayonnaise. That's it, our vitamin cocktail made from green vegetables and spices is ready. It can be served with pork chops. Pork chops after marinating should be patted dry with a paper towel before frying them in the pan. If you bought tough meat, beat it off with a kitchen hammer before frying. I fry the marinated pieces of pork in hot vegetable oil in a pan on both sides. Pork chops can be lightly salted at the end of frying. If you add a small chunk of butter at the end of frying, the pork chops in the pan will taste even better. It's time to serve the pork chops. I prepared tender salad leaves for a side dish and did not forget about a delicious and healthy green vitamin sauce. This recipe's fried pork will be delicious. I think your guests will love it. You can see a detailed recipe for marinated pork chops with healthy green sauce in the description of this video. Enjoy your meal. Delicious impressions. And I want to thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my channel. See you soon.